na madaming tao sa labas. May mga sakyan. There, may mga maingay. So, we're back here again for getting the results of the medical. There you go. Since kasama ko si Billy Boo, his name is Levi. He is so noisy and so stickler. And he loves to walk and walk or roam around like that. Hello! Come here! Say hello to my vlog! And yes, this was his first time sa kanya. What do you call that? Sleeper. Stand up! And he loves that since the other one sleeper that he wear last time was already broken, so he decided to buy another one. And we really love that color, and he did too. And look at him playing like that. He loves to tap and tap, especially when he saw chairs and tables. He wants to play it and tap it. So yes, I am really glad that today it's another setup of my vlog. Second time. So this is what we got. The high quality health